Now we are going to discuss about trapezium area. So before that, what is trapezium? Trapezium is nothing but a quadrilateral. So the specialty of the trapezium is, in this trapezium, already I said that it is also a quadrilateral, but a quadrilateral in which one pair of opposite sides are parallel, that is called trapezium. See here, these two sides are parallel. It is a quadrilateral. A quadrilateral in which one pair of opposite sides are parallel, that is called a trapezium. Now we have to find the area of the trapezium. We don't know the formula for area of the trapezium, but we have to find it. So for that, I am dividing the trapezium into different parts which we know. See here, I am taking a perpendicular line to the base. From here also, I am taking a perpendicular line to the base. So these two are perpendicular lines. Compulsory, these two distance will be same. I am taking the distance between the parallel sides as h. So these two perpendicular lines divided the trapezium into three different parts. See here, it is first part, it is another part, this one is another part, third part. So we know it is a triangle, this one is also a triangle, and this one is a rectangle. Now I am taking the smallest part as small a, and the distance between these two points is b, and the rest of the part as c. Here we can observe that these two are perpendicular lines, so compulsory this side is equal to this side. That means it is also b length only. These two lengths will be equal. So why we divided like this? Because we don't know the area of the trapezium formula, but we know the area of the triangle and area of the rectangle formulas. So that's why we have divided the trapezium into different parts. So what is the formula for area of a triangle? That is half into base into height. Next, what is the formula for area of rectangle? That is length into breadth. So now we have to find the area of these three parts. So what is first part? First part is a triangle, so first area, and second one it is a rectangle, and last one, that is third one, this is also a triangle. So let's start with the area of the first part. Half into, it is a triangle, half into base into height. What is base here? A. What is height? H. Next, last one is also a triangle. I am taking this one. Half into base. What is base here? C. And what is height of the triangle? That is h. The middle part is a rectangle. Rectangle's area formula is length into breadth. For this area, the length is b and the breadth is h. Now we are going to add these three areas. Okay, now so what comes here? AH by 2 plus BH plus CH by 2. Let's do LCM. Sorry, before LCM, we can take H as common. See, in these three terms, H is common. So I am taking H common. So what remains here? A by 2, in the second one, B, in the last one, C by 2. Okay, now, so what happens here? Take H as it is and do LCM here. So here A plus 2B plus c. I'm taking 2 also outside, so I'm writing 1 by 2 into h. A plus as it is, I'm writing 2b as b plus b, next c as it is. I'm changing the order. C, a plus b plus b plus c, I'm writing it as a plus b plus c plus b. So the reason is, see, already we know the, see, what is a plus b plus c here? A plus b plus c is one parallel side of the trapezium. So now I am writing the formula for area of trapezium. Area of trapezium is equal to 1 by 2 into, what is h here? H is distance between parallel sides into, what is a plus b plus c plus b? A plus b plus c plus b, that means it is sum of the parallel sides. Sum of parallel side. See, a plus b plus c is one side and b is another parallel side. So now it is formula for area of the trapezium, half into distance between two parallel sides into sum of the parallel sides. Let's take one example. I am taking one trapezium. I am taking this side as 3 centimeters or 3 units, and the base as 5 units. I am taking the distance between the parallel sides as 4. Now find the area of the trapezium. That is equal to, what is the formula? Half into distance between two parallel sides, that is 4, into sum of parallel sides, 3 plus 5. That is equal to, see, 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 2 ja, 16. 16 square units. It is area of the trapezium. Thank you.